right, let's talk cook systems. The Toaks 750 milliliter pot is pretty popular, but it comes with a few annoying problems. First, rattling gear, and potential rust rings when storing your fuel canister inside. Second, we have that tiny, hard to grab, scalding hot triangle lid handle. The third problem is a lack of true multifunctionality. Well, Pika Outdoors and Justin from Justin Outdoors YouTube channel have teamed up to try to fix that problem with the Pika Lid. Today, we're finding out if this is the ultimate cook system upgrade or just another expensive gadget adding unnecessary weight. Let's get into the Pika Lid review. Let's dive into the 4 main features that make this thing special. The first feature, trail mode and storage. The lid has a specific concave design that allows a standard 110 gram fuel canister and a mini Bic to nest inside. When the Pika Lid is snapped on, it secures everything tightly. No rattle, no scratches, and you can ditch your pot sack. This is a genius fix. The second feature, the pot handle, this is a true innovation. If you carry a long-handled titanium spoon, you thread it through the 2 arches on the lid. Instantly, you have a rigid, safe handle for pouring boiling water. Third feature, pour and strain. One side has a dedicated pour spout, perfect for channeling hot water directly into a narrow meal bag opening without spilling it. The opposite side has drain holes for straining pasta, washing rice, things like that. And the fourth feature, measurement and cooking. The lid has a handy unit conversion table molded right in. And if you flip the lid upside down, it rests perfectly on the pot rim for true cooking. Like making ramen, which is something the standard titanium lid doesn't do so well. Now for the ultralight comparison. Does the functionality justify the weight? Let's check the scale. The Toaks titanium lid weighs about 0.6 ounces or 17 grams. The Pika Lid comes in, well, between 0.9 and 1 ounce. So a little over 0.9 ounces. It's a weight penalty of about 0.4 ounces over the standard lid. But remember, this can replace the pot sack, which is typically, well, let's see, between 0.3 and 0.5 ounces. So that makes the actual added weight negligible, basically 0. So the weight is justifiable because essentially if you're losing that stuff sack, you're coming out at about the same weight and you're gaining all kinds of functionality. Now let's do a compatibility check. So it's designed for pots with a 100 millimeter lip diameter. It's a perfect snug fit on the Toaks 750 milliliter. Now I did notice that it does not fit the Evolved brand 750 milliliter pot because the Evolved pot has an integrated pour spout and the bail handle attachments mean the Pika Lid just won't be able to snap on correctly. Now I did manage to get it on here once and had a hell of a time getting it off, so I'd say it's not really compatible. If you have a different pot, you can go to Pika Outdoors website for a compatibility list. Now the Pika Lid costs around $16.99 to $17.99 US dollars. You can find it primarily on the Pika Outdoors website, and it's also carried on garage grown gear. So let's take a look at the pros and cons. Pros: secure, silent storage, brilliant spoon-as handle feature, dual function pour and strain, and you can eliminate the pot sack. Now the cons. You get a slight weight penalty over the stock lid if you ignore the pot sack. It only fits 100 millimeter diameter pots, and it's made of high temp plastic, so you gotta be careful not to subject it to direct high flame. So they suggest not using it with smaller pots like a 550 milliliter. So here's the bottom line. The question we started with: is the Pika Lid a gimmick Or is it worth the $17 price tag? I'm going to say it's not a gimmick. For me, it's a pretty cool functional upgrade. It cleans up mess in your pack, no more rattling, no more pot sack, and you finally eliminate that rust ring issue. Plus, using your spoon as a safe handle, that's really clever and useful. So who should buy this? Well, if you're running a Toaks 750 milliliter pot or a similar pot and you're annoyed with the stock lid, you should definitely check this out. This is for the backpacker who wants a refined system and enjoys clever multifunctional gear. You're adding about 0.4 ounces in lid weight, but that's offset because you don't need the carrying case for your pot anymore. So that's a win. So what do you guys think? Have you used the Pika Lid on your trips? Would you want to? Drop a comment below and let me know. If this review was helpful, consider hitting that subscribe button for more backpacking related content. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.